Once upon a time, in a dense, tranquil forest, there lived a solitary wolf named Solomon. Unlike the other wolves, who lived in packs, Solomon roamed alone, cherishing the solitude that the forest provided. One day, a great drought swept across the land. The forest grew dry and barren, and food became scarce. The other wolves in the packs began to suffer, their cries echoing through the forest. Solomon, however, was not affected. He had learned to adapt to his solitary life, hunting only what he needed and never overindulging. His wisdom had not gone unnoticed by the other wolves. One starving pack approached Solomon, begging him to join them. But Solomon, mindful of his independence, politely declined. Instead, he offered a solution: they should hunt only what they needed, not what they wanted. The pack agreed, and a strange thing happened. The forest began to recover. The drought receded, and the forest bloomed once more. The other wolves marveled at Solomon's wisdom, no longer viewing him as a solitary figure, but as a beacon of wisdom. In the end, Solomon remained a lone wolf, but he had taught the others a valuable lesson. That the key to survival is not in overindulgence, but in moderation and wisdom. And so, the forest thrived, under the wise watch of the lone wolf, Solomon. The moral of the story is that sometimes, being alone doesn't mean being isolated. It can mean being independent, making your own choices, and teaching others valuable lessons along the way. Embrace your uniqueness, for it is your wisdom that sets you apart from the crowd.